for today's adventure. We're at Meyer, Broadway Park in Three Rivers.
I didn't sign a release for this.
I'm looking at me. I haven't looked at you yet, but I'm gonna.
Yeah.
Here we go. Do that again, Bert. They have a really nice dog park here. I want to bring the dogs. It looks like it's mainly for bicycles. That looks like fun. She's doing something in the playground. Oh, she's on the monkey bars. Hi. I'm gonna take Bert to the hospital when she falls.
I'd probably get up there and get stuck.
Wow.
La la la. Oh, I need an adult. Whee!
Jump out! Jump out!
I caught air. I caught big air.
Don't tip the swings. Whoa! Like you went by. Are you scared? Whoa!